We have to make food stop being such a priority in our life. Welcome to my channel. We'll be discussing current events. I'll be offering healthy recipes and tips on how to be a baddie on a budget. Please like, subscribe, and be sure to share. So you're considering going vegan. Wonderful. I have some tips that may help you along your journey. Number one, just unlearn everything you've been taught. You really need to change your mindset for you to be successful with changing over to this lifestyle. Don't think of becoming vegan as a punishment, but more so embracing all the things that you will incorporate into your life, how much better you'll be feeling, and things of that nature. We have to make food stop being such a priority in our life. Every celebration, every milestone in our lives, we make food the focal point. And that's the main thing that I had to unlearn, that I don't have to celebrate every birthday, anniversary, graduation, where food is the focal point. And I think that's where we get tripped up a lot of times. When I first started my journey, I did have to say no a lot to a lot of birthday brunches, a lot of dinners, a lot of celebrations where food was the focal point, because I wasn't disciplined enough to say no. So when I saw that pound cake on the table, or I saw that whatever the food may be that may have been my favorite food, I wasn't disciplined enough to say no. So that's going to be your first step. You are going to have to say no probably most of the time with things that are surrounding going out a lot of times. One good tip is to try, at least for the first 30 days, to cook your own foods at home. That's the only way that you can really count on what's going in your mouth, that you're confident about what's going on in your mouth. Vegan has become such a trend, and there's a lot of restaurants, which I'm not bashing, I embrace them, that they're pushing people to at least try the lifestyle. But most of those foods are not healthy, they're not safe for consumption, and they're drenching them in a lot of sauces that are very unhealthy and things like that. So you may as well just be eating meat by the time you finish, eating some of those items. So for the first 30 days, try to cook all of your meals at home. Now, yeah, that will take you a little more time. You may have to get up an hour earlier, stay up an hour later, spend a little time in the grocery store and really be organized, but it's going to pay off. Trust me, it's going to pay off. Don't think of it as you're depriving yourself of anything. You are really enabling yourself and gaining your own power, so that you aren't addicted to salt and sugar. You can actually taste the food that's going in your mouth. Excuse me. So again, that tip is cook on your own for the first 30 days. Prepare at the grocery store daily and weekly. As you can. Frozen fruits and vegetables are just as fine. When they're ripe, they immediately freeze them. So frozen fruits and vegetables are my staple. I can just grab a bag out of the freezer. Even for the steamable bags, they're like 84 cents, I believe. We usually shop at Meijer, but at Walmart, Pete's, Aldi, whatever store that you choose, the bags of vegetables are mainly like $1, no more than $1, $1.29 per bag. The other thing is, we don't just eat salads all day. It was a lot harder maybe 20 years ago. In 2019, it's much easier to become a vegan, because you can honestly cook any of your favorite meals using vegan replacements. Butter, cream cheese, pancakes, meatloaf, lasagna, whatever you may choose, there is a vegan substitute for those items. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll be adding a lot of healthy recipes along the way, and you can join in with me. Give me any suggestions that maybe you tried at home with your family, and I hope those will be helpful as well. But get rid of that mindset. It's not a punishment at all. You will feel so much better once you embrace this lifestyle. And let me know how you like it. Let me know if you got started. Let me know when you have reached your 30-day mark. If you have any suggestions for me that I should add, any comments, please feel free to comment below. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up. If you give me a thumbs down, tell me why. And click the notification bell so that you'll get notified when I upload new videos. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you watching. And if you feel confident and you enjoy what you heard, please share. Thank you.